I read your comments, so yeah. It's too good to be true, guys. This ऐसा ही तुक्का मार के मैंने order किया था. So it looks like this. You can also style it like this, I think. And you can also wear it like this. I think this looks so good. ये तो थोड़ा देखा देखा लग रहा है. It has no weight. So good. Exactly the same quality, guys. I tried it, but I don't know. I'm going to return this. It doesn't look good on me. I had to get another one. It has the lace detailing, but I received it in this color, but it also has a bow here. It has this mermaid wala detailing. Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. If you guys are new here, hi, my name is Kom and thank you so much for tuning in. So in today's video, I am going to be showing you all some amazing tops that I got from Amazon. It's like too good to be true, guys. Like I swear, जब मैंने order किया था, मैंने ऐसे तुक्का मार के order किया था. मेरे को नहीं लगा कि इतना अच्छा आएगा. But guess what, guys? Like it's so good, so good. I'm not even exaggerating, guys. There are some products that I don't like. मैं उसके बारे में भी बात करूँगी. But there are some products that I love it so much. So yeah, I'm very excited for this video. So this is the shirt that I am obsessed with. I love the detailing and everything. मैंने ये recommend किया था आप लोगों को कुछ time पहले, but a lot of you guys maybe didn't take me seriously. But ना मैंने ये अपना Insta story में डाला था when it was in sale and it got out of stock in just like 15 minutes, guys. So yeah, you guys can go and check it out अगर आपको कुछ भी अच्छा लगा तो. And here is another product that I want to show you all. It's a night suit and it is this one, guys. I'm sure you guys have seen me wearing this so many times, है ना. This is one of my favorite PJ and it's very comfortable. The color is so good, the print is amazing and the quality, इट्स सो गुड, गाइस. सो ये बहुत जल्दी आउट ऑफ स्टॉक हो जाता है और ये स्टॉक में होता ही नहीं है. बट ना मैं ये वीडियो फिल्म करने के लिए बैठी रही थी, तब मैंने देखा कि ये स्टॉक में आ गया है. आई विल लिंक इट इन माई डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स एंड आई एम वेयरिंग एम साइज फॉर दिस पीजे एंड अ लॉट ऑफ यू गाइस वर सेइंग यू गो प्लीज पीजे होल करो. बट द थिंग इज आई डू हैव अ लॉट ऑफ पीजेस ऑलरेडी और जो भी मेरे पास है ना उसका मेरे पास ऐसा लिंक नहीं है आपको देने के लिए. सो इट्स ऑफ नो यूज, राइट? लाइक क्योंकि आप भी परचेस नहीं कर पाओगे. सो व्हाट्स द पॉइंट? तो या, and I don't want to buy more PJ for now क्योंकि I already have some. So I hope you guys are getting it. I read your comments, so yeah. I saw that a lot of you guys were commenting कि PJ haul करो, इसलिए I thought कि मैं ये आपको बता देती हूँ. Okay, so now let's get started with the video. So the one that I'm wearing is also from Amazon and I got it only for 474 rupees. I cannot believe, guys. Just look at it. Like इतना अच्छा लग रहा है. The color is amazing. The neckline, everything is so perfect. The material, oh my god, it's so soft, guys. If there's one material ना जो मैं पूरा समर पहनना पसंद करोगे, it's like this material and it's so easy breezy. I'm wearing it in M size and it fits me perfectly, just the way I love it. It's like little loose and I'm obsessed with this top, guys. You guys are going to see me wearing this so many times. There are so many more colors available like black, cherry red and red also, but I went with the most basic one as I am very basic. So yeah, I went with the gray one and look at it, guys. It looks so good. I can style this in so many ways and I got this क्योंकि I like to wear basic stuff, you know, and I can wear it like so many times और किसी का भी ऐसा नज़र नहीं जाएगा कि गोम ने ये उस दिन भी पहना था, ये दिन भी पहना था, ऐसे ऐसे, because I'm going to be wearing it a lot and the quality is so good. It is like so good to be true, guys. मेरे को लगा कि ना मेरे साथ scam हो गया है क्योंकि I ordered this, ऐसा ही तुक्का मार के मैंने ऑर्डर किया था और इतना अच्छा रिसीव हुआ है. तो I would highly recommend you all. It's amazing, guys. So you guys are not going to regret it. Just go and grab it. The next one that I'm going to show you all, it's only for 299 rupees. ऐसा देखने में you won't find it very pretty, ठीक है? ये ना मतलब जब आप इसे स्टाइल करोगे तभी आपको ये प्रिटी लगेगा. There are so many reasons why I love this top. First of all, the material, guys. Look at this. इतना ईजी ब्रीजी, बिल्कुल समर के लिए है ये मटेरियल. एंड दूसरा तो इसका है प्रिंट, मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा सही लगा. आई वॉन्टेड टू गेट इट फॉर लाइक डिनर डेट ऐसा आउटफिट के लिए एंड इट्स सो प्रिटी. आई कैन जस्ट वेयर अ ब्लैक कलर का स्कर्ट नीचे एंड इट विल लुक सो अमेजिंग. आई कैन जस्ट वेयर अ जीन्स ऑल्सो क्योंकि द टॉप इज़ क्वाइट हैपनिंग. सो अगर नीचे में कुछ भी सिंपल सा भी पहनोगे ना तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा सही लगेगा. एंड लुक एट द नेक लाइन, गाइस. लाइक नेक लाइन इज़ सो प्रिटी. यू गाइस नो, राइट? लाइक आई डोंट रियली वेयर एज अ स्लीवलेस, but this one is very very pretty. So I would highly recommend you all. You guys can go and check it out. I think yeah, I am wearing this in M size and everything about this top is amazing, guys. Like 299 mein, I cannot believe it, guys. So you guys can just go and check it out for yourself. It's amazing. I wish there were like more colors available, जैसे कि black and white भी zebra print में, but नहीं है, only this print. But I am very happy with my purchase. You can, you know, like get this for your dinner date ऐसा. Moving on to my next one, it is again one of my favorite one and it is in the same color as this one, the one that I'm wearing. and it looks like this, guys. This is almost similar, but the thing is this is full sleeve, guys, and you guys know I love full sleeve so much. It's so good, like बहुत ज़्यादा सही है यार। इसका और इसका ना दोनों का ही मटेरियल बहुत ज़्यादा सही है। इट्स द एग्जैक्ट सेम मटेरियल। आई थिंक द ब्रांड इज ऑल्सो सेम इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, ओके, एंड द क्वालिटी इज सो गुड, सो सॉफ्ट, इट्स लाइक सो स्ट्रेचेबल, बहुत ही ज़्यादा सही है। द नेकलाइन इज अमेजिंग, आई लव इट गाइस, जस्ट लुक एट दिस, लुक एट दिस, इतना सही है। बोनस पॉइंट ये है कि ये फुल स्लीव है। ऑल्सो द वन दैट आई एम वेयरिंग, मैं आपको बताना भूल गई कि इसका जो ऐसा ये हैंड एरिया है ना, इट्स अमेजिंग, ओके, आई लव दिस फीलिंग ऑल्सो, क्योंकि ये मेरे शोल्डर को इतना ऐसा टाइट करके नहीं रख रहे, तो मेरे को ये अच्छा लगा। दिस इज़ वेरी ईजी ब्रीजी एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो स्टाइल इट लाइक दिस। आई थिंक if you want to, you can style it, and you can also wear it like this, so it's very versatile, but I'll wear it like this for now, and I think this looks so good. Moving on to my next one, which has a very floral wala detailing, and it is for 500 rupees, and it looks like this. अभी जो लोग मेरे को बहुत टाइम से फॉलो कर रहे हैं वो लोगों को लग रहा होगा कि ये तो थोड़ा देखा देखा लग रहा है। येस गाइस, यू ऑल आर राइट। ये मैंने लिया था लास्ट टू लास्ट ईयर भी, एंड आई वोर इट अ लॉट, बट ना एक दिन मेरे दोस्त आया था मेरे घर में, एंड शी वाज सेइंग कि आई रियली लाइक योर दैट टॉप, आई वांटेड टू बाय इट टू, प्लीज सेंड मी लिंक्स, ऐसा ना। तो मैंने कहा कि मैंने ये टॉप बहुत बारी पहना है, सो यू कैन जस्ट take it. I remember I was obsessed with this one and I really liked it. तो ये ना रिसेंटली मेरा फीड में वापस से आया था, तो मेरे को लगा कि इट्स अ साइन टू गेट इट, सो आई डिड गेट इट। तो लेट मी शेयर विद यू ऑल द प्रॉपर डिटेल, ओके। Like look at the neckline first of all. I love the neckline so much. It has very ऐसा beautiful सा neckline, and it has this rope thingy which you can tie accordingly, and you have this rubber thingy जो इतना टाइट नहीं है, एकदम परफेक्टली फिट होते हैं, जो आपका ना ऐसा वेस्ट को इतना ऐसा स्नैच करके रखता है। एंड ऑल्सो द हैंड डिटेलिंग गाइज, इफ़ यू लव वेयरिंग फुल स्लीव देन दिस इज़ फॉर यू, क्योंकि ना ये समर में भी बहुत ही अच्छा लगेगा आपको, क्योंकि लुक एट दिस गाइज, लाइक इट हैज़ नो वेट, it looks like this. You guys can see me doing the try on. It's very easy to wear, it's very breathable, तो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगने वाला है। Moving on to my next one, again it's a very pretty top and it is like so good to be true. I thought कि ये तो आएगा ही नहीं, like I didn't expect only. Look at this. The quality is so good. Trust me, it gives that Savana wala vibe. मेरे पास Savana का बहुत सारा टी-शर्ट्स है, बहुत सारा टॉप्स है, so I'm the right person, okay, to tell you कि Savana का quality जैसा है या नहीं, and it is exactly the same quality, guys. Look at this. Oh my god. If you're thinking कि गोम ये क्या टॉप है, समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है क्योंकि इसका नेक एरिया बहुत बड़ा है, then let me tell you all, ये ना ऑफ शोल्डर वाला टॉप है, and this was like all over my Pinterest and I wanted to get it for such a long time, and I got this from Amazon just for 499 rupees. The quality is amazing. There are so many more prints available. There were so many similar tops with different prints, but I got this one which has cherry and bow, and there were more prints like I'm just a girl ऐसा. If you like that kind of print, तो I will link it. Material is so good, like I wish you all could feel it. It is so premium, so premium. मैंने ना ये आज सुबह ही रिसीव किया है and I went crazy guys. The quality is so good and I am definitely wearing this a lot, and I am going to be recommending it to all my close ones क्योंकि the price is so good, the quality is amazing, and oh my god, it is so good guys. So just go and grab it. And here's the next one which I got from the brand Uptowny. I saw this like all over internet, all over Instagram, all over YouTube. I wanted to get it for such a long time, but इस बार मैंने सोचा कि चलो let's give it a try, क्योंकि मेरे को लग रहा था कि अच्छा आएगा, मतलब देखने में लग रहा था कि इट्स वेरी प्रीमियम। ऑल्सो माई फ्रेंड ओन्स वन टॉप फ्रॉम द ब्रांड विच इज़ इन वाइट कलर, ये ऑफ शोल्डर वाला आप लोगों ने देखा होगा, बट आई वॉन्टेड टू बी थोड़ा सा यूनिक एंड आई ऑर्डर दिस प्रिंटेड वन फॉर like 680 rupees, which I'm not so happy about. First of all, the top looks so pretty. Look at this. अगर आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है then this is off shoulder, so it should look something like this. I tried it but I don't know, it doesn't look good on my body, so I am going to return this क्योंकि it doesn't look good only. I don't know why, but I think आपके body में अच्छा लग सकते हैं, so if you want to get it you guys can go and check it out. but the detailing is so nice. Like, look at the model wearing it, guys. It looks so pretty. Aisa, you can wear it like this, you can wear it like this, you can also wear it like this, but it doesn't look good on me, so what's the point? Now I'm left with three tops, and all of them are quite similar because they are in ripped material. This is the first one. It is green in color. This one I got for like 470 rupees, and I got this क्योंकि ना मेरे पास ये brand का already tops है, and they fit me like a glove. Like, the fitting is so perfect, so I had to get another one in different color. Last time जो मेरे पास था वो था black and white में, so this time I wanted to get in like another color, थोड़ा playful color में, so I got it in green color. जो ऐप में कलर था ना वो बहुत ब्राइट था, बट दिस इज़ द कलर दैट आई रिसीव्ड, बट आई एम नॉट कंप्लेनिंग क्योंकि I love this color so much. This is the first one and it fits me perfectly, so that's what matters. Look at the detailing, guys. Like, it has the lace detailing. I can just style this, you know, with a simple denim and it is going to look amazing. ऐप में ना यहाँ एक bow भी दिखाया था, but there's no bow here. I don't know निकल गया है कि I didn't receive any bow, but the product is nice and it fits me perfectly. Moving on to my next one, I have in this color. मैंने ये थोड़ा कलर लाइट होगा सोचा था, लाइक पाउडर पिंक कलर, दैट्स वाई आई ऑर्डर्ड इट, बट आई रिसीव्ड इट इन दिस कलर. बट दिस कलर इज ऑल्सो नाइस, and also the detailing is again amazing. Look at this, guys. It also has a bow here, and this is full sleeve, guys. So yeah, I love full sleeve, but again ये मेरे को ना यहाँ तरफ में थोड़ा सा मुश्किल से फिट हो रहा है because of my shoulder, I think, क्योंकि मेरा शोल्डर थोड़ा सा broad है, right? That's why. But if you're skinny, this is going to fit you perfectly. But हाँ guys, ये ना अब गर्मी में नहीं पहन पाओगे, मेरे को ऐसा लगता है, क्योंकि this is in ripped material. ऐसा भी नहीं है कि ये लूज है, it's like एकदम tight and fitting वाला, तो मेरे को लगता है कि ये समर में इतना ज़्यादा comfortable नहीं होगा. But the quality is so nice, guys, and if you're going on a trip to Pahar, then definitely you can think about this one. I got this for like 489 rupees, which is a nice price, and I like it. Now moving on to my last one, I ordered this for like okay, wow, this is only for 376 rupees and it looks like this, almost the same, but it has no lace detailing, and I got this because of the hand detailing. It is in full sleeve and it has this mermaid wala detailing, तो मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा सही लगा. That's the reason I got it. And ये जो कपड़ा है ये थोड़ा सा breathable है comparing to this two, but all of them are really nice. The quality is amazing, so you can think about getting this one अगर आप पहाड़ों में जा रहे हो तो. Summer में तो I don't know whether you can wear it or not क्योंकि it is in ripped material. So yeah, with that we are done with this haul video, and I really hope कि आपको ये video अच्छा लगा होगा. If you guys like this video, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you all very soon with my next video. Everything gets out of stock really quickly, so अगर आपको कुछ भी अच्छा लगा, then just go and grab it. I am so sure that you are going to love it. Bye guys, take care and see you all very soon with my next video. Bye.